I can't believe this is finally happening. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm almost losing my voice because I'm just way too excited. If you've been following me for a long time, then you know that this is something that I have been dreaming about for a very long time. I'm so excited to finally be able to share it with you. I am in the new ad campaign for Buxom Cosmetics for their brand new Va-Va-Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks. That's my face. These are the brand new liquid lipsticks coming out from Buxom Cosmetics. They are in stores in Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, and BuxomCosmetics.com. When Buxom Cosmetics reached out to me to be part of the ad campaign, I was beyond thrilled because when I think of Buxom, I think lip products. And I've loved all their lip products in the past, especially the True Nude Lip Foundation lipsticks. Do you guys remember those? Those were my absolute favorites. When Buxom reached out, I was just more than honored to be part of this campaign because I felt like it was such a perfect match. And I couldn't even be more excited because these liquid lipsticks are so amazing and I absolutely love the products. Today, I'm sharing the promo video. You guys are gonna love this. So we did a big shoot in New York City for the ad campaign and for all the images. We did this big shoot and we shot this amazing video and I'm so excited to be able to share this video with you guys today. I've been teasing them on Instagram for a while now, wearing a bunch of different colors, and I'm so excited to finally be able to share them with you guys and to let you know that they are now in stores. And when you guys go to either Sephora, Macy's, or Ulta, you're gonna see my face on the display. So make sure you please, if you do, take a picture and tag me. I want to see them. And now it is time to show you the promo video, which I'm super excited. So this is for the brand new Buxom Cosmetics Va-Va-Plump featuring yours truly.
Make it plump, Va-Va-Plump. Make it plump.
I look way cooler than I actually am. I'm just so excited to share these with you. They come in 20 sexy bold shades and I love that they really plump. So you're getting plumping and the color really stays on. They have a perfect shine to them, which is different than other liquid lipsticks, and the formula is so hydrating, so it feels so good on your lips. You won't feel like you have anything on. I literally put it on in the morning and have it on for hours and it's so comfortable to wear. I absolutely love the packaging. The lid has like little lips on it, which I think is so cute. There's colors for every skin tone, every season. And I also created a bunch of tutorials on Buxom's YouTube channel, so you guys can check those out. I'm gonna link those down below. So this is what all of the beauty influencers are getting. Magazines, beauty editors, they're all getting this big thing with my face on it. How crazy is that? You guys, we did it. We made it happen. Thank you to you guys for all your support throughout the years. It's been amazing. We made this happen. Please go out and get the Buxom Cosmetics Va-Va-Plump. Your support is everything. And if you wear it, make sure you tag me. Make sure you tag Buxom. All the links will be in the description box so you guys can buy it online or you can check it out. And the tutorials that I did with Buxom will be in the description box as well. And I'm gonna also be posting a lot on my Instagram. Make sure you add me on Instagram at Eman. I just wanna say a really big thank you to Buxom for being such an amazing team. Yeah, that's it. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon.